Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Brown. I am the clarinet instructor at Crosby Middle School and I teach privately at Owen Music. I'm here to discuss the all-county band music for 7th grade. This is the Unison side, and we're going to take a look at this real quick. I'm going to give you a few pointers and then I'm going to play it for you. So, the main thing in this exercise is all of the differences in articulations. You have notes without articulations, you have notes with staccatos, one with a tenuto, and then three with accents. You want to distinguish all of these notes from each other and make sure that when you play them, somebody listening to you can also distinguish those notes from each other as well. So your staccatos, make them nice and separate from each other. You don't want staccato notes to touch other notes. You want them to be nice and separated and a little bit shorter than your typical notes. Your tenuto note is the exact opposite of staccato. You want that to be nice and full, and you want it to touch the note after it. And in this case, you have the tenuto note at the last measure in line 2. You want that C to touch that A. You don't want any silence in between those two notes. And then finally, your accents there in the first ending of the last line. You want to give those a little bit more emphasis, a little bit more oomph, uh, to really distinguish those from any of the other notes that you've played in this exercise. So for articulations, just distinguish all of those different types of notes. Make sure you pay attention to where you have slurs, where you don't have slurs, and you should be fine with that. As for dynamics, you have a lot of sudden dynamic changes, so make those happen, and then that crescendo there in the second line, definitely make a big deal out of that.